Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the power button on ACER Aspire 3 if when you press it, it does nothing. So to fix it, you need to go to the control panel. So let's search for control panel and open that. Then go to system and security and find power options. Then you can change what the power buttons do. And now you can see I'm now on battery, I'm not plugged in. So the on battery settings will apply. When I press the power button, so here you can change it from do nothing to, for example, shut down. Then remember to save the changes. And now when I go ahead and press on that button right here, it should power off my device. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.